Running a penetration test with Tenable is easier than you think, and today, I'll walk you through how to do it step by step so you can secure your network effectively. By the end, you'll know exactly how to leverage Tenable's tools for comprehensive vulnerability assessments. And here's the best part. You can try this software completely free through the link in the description below, plus get some exclusive bonuses that will help you get started faster. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is install Tenable software. Tenable offers various tools for vulnerability management, but the most popular is Tenable.io or Tenable SC for larger enterprises. Head over to the Tenable website, sign up for an account, and download the tool. After installation, you can start setting up your environment. Next, once the software is installed, you'll want to set up your scanning policy. This is where you define the scope of your penetration test. In Tenable.io, you can create a new scan and choose from several pre-configured templates, such as basic network scans or more detailed web application tests. Make sure to select the right template based on what you're testing for. The third thing is to configure your scan targets. This is a critical step since you're essentially telling Tenable what to look for. You'll input the IP addresses or host names of the systems you want to test. If you're testing a network, you'll input a range of IPs. If you're testing specific web applications, you can specify their URLs. Make sure you double-check these to avoid missing anything important. Next thing, let's talk about credentials. Tenable allows you to run authenticated scans, which give you deeper insights into vulnerabilities. If you want to test more than just open ports and services, input your administrative credentials for the systems you're testing. This will allow Tenable to log into the system and perform a more thorough vulnerability scan, identifying issues that wouldn't be visible in an unauthenticated scan. Now, the fifth thing is configuring the scan settings. Here, you can adjust how Tenable conducts the scan. You can set it to be a quick scan or a deeper scan that will take more time. Make sure to schedule your scans for times when network traffic is low, so your tests don't interfere with your production systems. After that, the next step is to run the scan. Tenable will begin to scan the systems you've specified, and once it's done, it will generate a detailed report. This report will outline all the vulnerabilities, categorized by severity, along with suggestions for remediation. Pay close attention to high and critical vulnerabilities, as those are the ones that need immediate action. Once you've got your results, you'll want to review the findings. Tenable provides actionable insights, so you can prioritize the most critical vulnerabilities and patch them first. Depending on the severity, you may also want to consider conducting additional penetration testing to simulate real-world attacks on your network. Lastly, the most important thing to remember is continuous monitoring. After your initial scan and remediation, you should keep running regular scans to ensure your network stays secure. Tenable provides automated scanning, so you can set it up once and have it run periodically, keeping you up to date with new vulnerabilities that may arise over time. So, that's it. Now you know how to run a penetration test with Tenable. Remember, you can access this software for free from the first link below and get an exclusive, extended free trial to make the most of your security testing. Keep your systems secure and stay ahead of vulnerabilities. Tenable's got you covered.